Example 4, mind you, there is indefinite use substitution. There are no limits. Very simple. Just take a look. Now they said the integral 2x all upon the square root of 4x squared minus 1. You cannot use the general method for you to what? To simplify this one, or for you to integrate this one, unless you use the use substitution. Very simple and straightforward. Now you say u should be equal to this 4x squared minus 1. So here you differentiate what u with respect to what? X. Therefore, the u all upon the x equals to 2 times 4. You take this power, you multiply with the coefficients of this x. So it will give us what? 8x. Mind you, subtract these 2 by what? Minus 1. It will give you what? 1 up here. So the differential of this minus 1 is what? 0. So we want to make what? The x as the subject of formula. So bring this the x here. So the u equals to 8x times the x. So therefore, you divide both sides by what? 8x. So this cancels with this. So the x equals to. So the x equal to the u all upon what? 8x. Right? So from this point, the integral 2x all upon the square root of bracket open 4x squared minus 1 bracket what? Close the x. Right? So the integral, we have 2x, but we like what? This 4x squared minus 1 to be equal to what? U. So you write u now times the x is what? The u all upon what? X. Are we getting it? So you write this one, you say 2x the square root of u times the u all upon what? 8x. Do we get to the concept? So there is something common that you need to what? Canceling. X. So this x will cancel this 2 here. How many times? 4 times into this guy. 1 times. 1 times into this 8. How many times? It's 4 times. So you bring 1 upon 4, the integral, then 1 upon the square root of what? U. Say the u. Are we getting it? So 1 upon 4, the integral, mind you, 1 upon this square root means half. So the u. So you change this fraction, that is 1 upon u raised to the power what? Half, to negative index. So 1 upon 4. Now you say u raised to the power minus half. Say what? The u. So 1 upon 4, the integral. Now let us integrate. So u raised to the power minus half plus what? 1 all divided by minus half plus 1 bracket close plus what? C. So minus, you say half 1 upon 4 into, now this has a denominator of 1, this also has a denominator of 1. So when you use your fractional concept for it, if you find the LCM, then what will happen here? The whole of this will give you what? U raised to the power what? 1 upon 2, all divided by what? 1 upon 2 plus C. Do we get to the concept? So 1 upon 4, bracket open. So u raised to the power half divided by, take this half, bracket close plus what? C. Then you say 1 upon 4, you say u raised to the power half times you reciprocate, so 2 divided by 1 plus what? C, right? So 1 upon 4 into u raised to the power half. So 2 times, when you multiply this now, and you multiply this, it will give you what? 2u raised to the power half, all upon what? 1 plus c. So 1 upon 4 times 2u raised to the power half, all upon 1. 2 here, 2 times into 2, 1 times. So what will remain here is what? 1 upon 2, because 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So you don't forget to write the c. So half raised to the power half plus what? C. Right? So 1 upon 2, bracket open. Before we let that, u should be equal to what? 4x square minus 1, but it should be what? In a square root. So you write it in a square root plus what? C. Because of this what? Half. So this is the integral of this problem.